Hello everybody, heartily welcome into my channel. I am Ching Chang. Namaste, Salam Alaikum. In this video, I am gonna discuss about the JBL remote control. So if you are watching from abroad, so I am speaking in English. If any mistake, so don't mind. So in this video I'm going to show you the JBL remote control, how to use the JBL remote control. This is a universal JBL remote control provided by the JBL 3.1 bar. But before making this video, I want to aware you, don't purchase JBL system, because I agree that the JBL sound is a good quality, but the my 3.1 JBL set is totally damaged, because this bar has total 6 speaker and 3 tweeter, and out of that 2 speakers are not working right now because the board is totally damaged. So come back to my main point. So this is a JBL remote control. It is you can find in every soundbar. So before using the remote control, just insert the battery in backside. Just open the back cover and insert the 2 batteries, which is provided by this company. This is batteries. These batteries are provided by the JBL company. And this is a power button. When you press it, it automatically power turn on. And this is the source button. And the source button is you can use your mouse. So if you use the HDMI, USB and aux cable, just switch this button. Or this is the bass increase and this is the bass decrease button, and this is the mute button. This is the audio only speaker. This is the bass and this is the speaker. When you press this plus sign, the audio volume will be increased, and this minus sign, when you press this sign, the audio volume would be decreased. And this is the sound mode. This is direct Bluetooth mode. When you press this button, directly this system come into the directly Bluetooth mode. And this is the night mode, and this is the dim display, and this is the surround sound. When you if you want to listen the sound surroundingly, so just press this button. When you this night mode, this is the night mode. The sound will be turned into night mode, because when you use this button, the sound will be night mode. The sound automatically volume down, and the woofer automatically volume the sound automatically down. So now I'm start to how to use this remote control, and this is the volume increase and volume decrease, and this is the next play, and this is the forward back and forward. And when I press this one, this is the power button, and just focus your eyes here. This is the power button. When you use, you cannot hear the sound because when you press this sign button, it automatically volume on. And when you press this minus button, volume decrease. Automatically the volume decrease. So to hear my sound voice clearly, I set the volume down. So if you want to listen the next song, just press here this. When you press, if you want to listen the next song, just press it here. The next song is playing. If you want to listen the previous song, press this button. Press this button. This. I am increasing this volume. If you listen the previous one, just press it here. Just decrease the sound. Now I am to pay attention. If you start this song, firstly, just press once. Just press once here. The song automatically start from the first. If you press this one, you can listen the previous song. Just press twice, 1 and 2. Yes, you can. When you listen the next song, just press here once. If you press it here once again, next song automatically play. But repeat again. If you listen this running song from first, just press this forward, just press this icon just once. The song automatically start from the first. If you want to listen the previous song, just press this one twice, 1 and 2. Okay, now this button for mute this sound. Just press this button, press this one, it is turned mute on. When you press it, this button once again, it turn off the mute and play it automatically. Play it automatically. And this is the sound mode. you can use the different type of sound mode to press this button. Just press this one button, just press. This is the music mode. Press it again. This is the movie mode. If you want to listen and watching the movies, just press this one. Press it again. It is the voice. If you want to listen, the voice mode. Press this button once again. There is a sports mode. When you want to play in any sports stadium or into your gym,